If I'm always racing toward the next thing, I miss the life that is happening in the present moment. We are living in a time when faster is supposed to be better. The ability to speed up much of life seems to be like a blessing, allowing us to live more efficiently and get more done quickly. Anything we want is just one click away. Food, entertainment, even knowledge. But does doing more faster equal better? As I explore this Bulgarian medieval fortress, I'm struck by the magnitude of it. The scale is so enormous that it took countless men over several decades to build it. I'm in awe of the craftsmanship it took to chisel, move, and place each stone to build this magnificent walled city. It still stands today as a testament to the care and time that was put into its creation. Looking at the bustling city below, it is a direct contrast to the ancient city on the hilltop where time seems to stand still. There is more to life than increasing its speed. When living at a high speed, I tend to feel chaotic and disengaged, as if life is a whirlwind just spinning around me. Doing more seems to be more of an illusion, that I'm in complete control of every moment of my life, when in reality, life is racing through time and I'm barely holding on to the tail end. By rushing from one thing to the next, the experience of life is superficial, and I lack an appreciation for the authentic moments that I find when I pause. By slowing down, I'm able to prioritize what truly matters and take time to experience life in its fullest. Slow living is not a recent concept. It has been discussed by philosophers for hundreds of years. And there are many ways to practice slow living. I focus on a few areas to incorporate into my daily life to live slowly. Slow living is about simplifying my life so that I can savor the present moment. Busyness can be like a snowball. The busier I am, the faster my life moves, and soon I'm swept into the chaos of the world around me. Simplifying life by directing my energy to those things which I hold dear, and letting go of the things that no longer serve me. It is unrealistic to be everywhere and do everything all at once. By being very deliberate, how I spend my time frees up precious energy that I can put toward the areas of my life that are most important. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. There is a balance to life. Tipping the scales too far one way or the other isn't ideal for a well-rounded life. Not engaging in life can evoke laziness, while living at a fast pace can leave me feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Nature is the perfect reminder that I don't need to hurry through life in order for everything to be accomplished. All aspects of life have a natural flow. It is neither hectic nor sluggish, but moves in a precise rhythm. When I align myself with the natural rhythm, life seems to be effortless. It is when I try to push or pull life to bend to my agenda that life is challenging. Trusting in the natural progression of life brings me peace of mind. When I'm in a rush, it may appear that I'm accomplishing more, but my experience is diminished because I'm not pausing and enjoying the moment. If hurried, I can miss nuances of any experience, dulling the beauty and wonder of life. Life is in each moment. Noticing the color of the sky, the sun on my face, and the song of the birds is bliss. Yet, it can easily be overlooked. This moment is the only reality. To be mindful of the now is a gift of truly living life to its fullest. I value slowing down, doing less, so that I can live more. Slowing down in this modern world is not always celebrated, but it is tremendously rewarding. I really appreciate you watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to support my little channel. Have a beautiful day, my friends.